Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube world out there tonight? It is Saturday evening here in Mongo's garage. It's been a little while since I've been with you guys, but I've been still working, doing a lot of sewing on the interior of the boat. And actually, you guys saw the last time I was tearing the seat apart. Well, I tore it apart a little bit further here tonight. And I'm about to show you guys some video of me building the new seat, which you can see right here is so far what we got. I still have to cut some more pieces, but that's the bottom of the side bolster. Nothing on the back, of course. This is all hem fur that we have in here so far. Of course, this is that ABX like we were talking about. I'm sorry, this isn't hem fur. This is Douglas fur. So that's what we got going on there. Yeah, it's all been put together, all screwed together. I actually hit it with the grinder here just to rough up the edges on the front. Haven't done anything in the back yet, but I will. Just wanted to drop in on you guys real quick here. I am going to do an update video tomorrow. We've been pretty busy around the farm here trying to get things cleaned up after the storms came through. I'll show you guys what's been going on and what all we've gotten done. Plus, I'm going to work on this seat a little bit more tomorrow. Hopefully we can go ahead and get that portion of it wrapped up, get the rest of this wood cut up. As you can see there on the floor, I got the side panels and stuff that I still have to cut. They're all finally laying flat, so I'll be able to mark that up. I let that one piece that was so twisted get wet, and then it did come back and started laying flat. Still have to tear that side panel apart so that I can make it up. Then we can get that stuff coated in resin. And once it's all coated in resin, I can go ahead and start putting everything back together as far as getting the cushions and everything back on it. So yeah, we're slow progress, but it is still progress. I know I haven't been sharing a lot with you guys and girls, but it's just, I'm pretty sure you don't want to sit there and watch me sew, on that machine just hours after hours. I'll tell you, I did have my first pretty good setback sewing. I was making the back of the seat, and I ended up making it too short and it wouldn't fit, so we had to trash that, and we'll have to start over. I'll explain that to you better later in the project here once I get that back together and I can show you what I did versus the way it should be. So, all right, that's all for tonight. I'm going to throw a real quick video together, get this up, and then tomorrow, like I said, be on the lookout for that update video so you can see what all we've been doing here at Mongo's compound. All right, guys, Mongo Man is out.